I was scheduled to leave tomorrow. I wanted to call the president about rumors that I had been seeing and hearing about possible talks continuing, maybe even here in Islamabad. So I called him to get him on record on that. And I happened to mention that, hey, Mr. President, I'm in Islamabad now. Should I get my flight home? And initially he said, yeah, go ahead and come home. It's funny to hear that come from the president, but he initially didn't think that the talks would happen in Islamabad. And then about 37 minutes later, I got a call from him and he said, you know, go ahead, and if I were you, I would stay in Islamabad. Things are happening, and it's possible that there could be some news to develop within the next 48 hours. So with that, I told my editor I need to stay a little bit longer, and we'll wait to see what happens now.